Now, democracy and its power to transform lives took center stage in New Delhi on Thursday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth. Addressing parliamentary leaders from across the globe, Prime Minister Modi showcased how India's democratic institutions have delivered stability, growth and poverty alleviation, turning diversity into strength and offering lessons for nations worldwide. DD India's Rahul Upadhyay has got you more.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth, the largest ever in terms of participation. The gathering at Samvidhan Sadan in New Delhi brought together parliamentary leaders from across the Commonwealth to deliberate on strengthening democracy. Highlighting democracy's impact on everyday life, PM Modi pointed to India's success in poverty alleviation. He said the spirit of public welfare has ensured last-mile delivery, lifting 25 crore citizens out of poverty in recent years. His assertion was clear. Democracy delivers tangible results in India, and others can take a lesson from the achievements of Indian democracy.
भारत में डेमोक्रेसी का अर्थ लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी है। हम एक लोक कल्याण की भावना से हर व्यक्ति के लिए बिना किसी भेदभाव के काम कर रहे हैं और इसी लोक कल्याण की भावना के कारण बीते कुछ वर्षों में भारत में 25 करोड़ लोग गरीबी से बाहर निकले हैं। In India, democracy delivers.
The Prime Minister noted that India transformed its diversity into strength. PM emphasized that strong institutions have delivered stability, speed and scale, helping India emerge as the fastest growing major economy. The conference theme, Effective Delivery of Parliamentary Democracy, resonated with this message.
ये चौथा अवसर है जब कॉमनवेल्थ स्पीकर्स और प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर्स की कॉन्फ्रेंस भारत में हो रही है। इस बार इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का मुख्य विषय इफेक्टिव डिलीवरी ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी है। आप सभी जानते हैं कि जब भारत आजाद हुआ तो उस दौर में ये आशंका व्यक्त की गई थी कि इतनी डाइवर्सिटी में भारत में लोकतंत्र टिक नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन भारत ने इसी डाइवर्सिटी को डेमोक्रेसी की ताकत बना दिया।
Prime Minister Modi underscored India's commitment to building open source technology platforms. He said these innovations are designed to empower partner nations in Global South, enabling them to replicate India's success stories. India's leadership role on the global stage also came into focus. PM reminded participants that during its G20 presidency, India placed the concerns of the Global South at the heart of the global agenda, championing their interest in international forums. The 28th conference in New Delhi not only showcased India's democratic achievements but also reinforced its vision of inclusive growth and global cooperation. Rahul Upadhyay's report for DD India.